Good morning, students. In this video, we'll start a new chapter which is percent and percentage. So first we will understand what is percent. If we break the word percent as so per means for everyone and cent means 100. Per means 1, cent means 100. So it will be written as 1 upon 100. And percentage, now comes what does percentage means. So percentage is having a sign like this. This is called the sign of percentage. Suppose a number is written as 5%, so it means this 5 means 5 upon 100. We will remove this percent sign and write 100 in denominator. So percentage having this sign, percentage is having this sign, and if any number carries a sign of percentage, always that number is written in numerator, and by removing this percentage sign we write 100 in denominator. Always 100 is written in denominator. Now next thing is, suppose we have to express any number as percent. So how we will express? Suppose that there is a rational number, take it as 5/2, and you have to express this number as percent. So to express this number as percent, what we will do, we will multiply this fraction or this rational number with 100. As soon as we multiply this number with 100, this fraction will change in percent. So we will cancel 2 with 100 and we will write as 50. Now 5 5s are 25 and 0. So this is 250%. Now this fraction has been converted into percentage as 250%. Now we can say it is 5/2, or in percent form it is 250%. And now student, you are aware of your result, you are aware of your report cards, that in your report card also you are given percentage. Suppose you are having, as you are a student of class 8 and you are having total, suppose you are having total subject as 10 and each subject is of 100 marks. So your total marks will be 10 into 100, because you are having 10 subject and one subject the marks is 100, so it is 1000. Now suppose a student A got 825 marks out of 1000. So how you will take out your percentage? This is the sum total of, this is a student A who got 825 marks, and this is the sum total of every subject. Example, Hindi, Maths, Physics, English, SST. Each subject we have total, and suppose this student got 825 marks. So this is the sum total of the student, and this marks he got out of 1000, because the total subject was 10 and one subject carries 100 marks. So we will always write the total in denominator. Now we have to convert this in percent. So we will cut this 20 with this 20, and you can see that the student A got 82.5% out of 100% in his result or in her result. So this is how we calculate percentage. I hope all of you are clear with this. Now if we have to convert percent into number, what we will do, suppose there is a number, suppose there is a percentage given as 5%. So you have to convert this percent in fraction or decimal. So what you will do, this percent, you will remove this percent sign and write 100 in denominator. So it is equal to 5 by 100, because it is written 5%, so it will be 5 by 100. And if you cancel this, what you will get, your answer can be 0.05. This is your answer. This answer is in decimal. Or if you want to get the answer in fraction, so your answer will be 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10, that is, which is also equal to 1 upon 20. So your fraction answer is 1 by 20, or you can say this is your rational number, and the number which is in decimal form is 0.05, because it is having 2 0 in the denominator, so we will put 2 decimal from right hand side. So in this way we have converted the percent into fraction. This is how we convert percent into fraction. So from this we can conclude that percent means we have to break per plus cent, which means 1 upon 100, that is for every 100. Percentage sign is written like this, and it can be, you can take any number, it can be fraction, it can be number, it can be decimal number, it can be rational number, or any number can have a percent sign. So this is 7%, so it will be 7 by 100. 35%, 35 by 100. Now to express any number as percent, we have to multiply it with 100. To express any number as percent, we have to multiply always with 100, because this chapter name is percentage and cent means 100. Now next is when a number is given as percent, we have to convert that number in fraction, or we can give our answer in decimal. This is what we have learned till now. Now suppose that we have to solve a question, and a question is given as, you have to find 25 is what percent of 200. Now it is saying 25 is what percent of 200, and the total is, here the total is 200. So you will write 25 upon 200, and you have to, they have also asked is what percent you have to, it means you have to change this number in percent. So if for changing any number in percent, we have to multiply it with 100. So we will just multiply this fraction with 100. Now we will cancel the zeros, and our answer is 25 by 2. You can also get the answer in decimal. So this will be 12.5. Next question, percentage sign is given. So it is 28% of 128. So what you have to do, 28% is written, so you will remove the percent sign and write 100 in denominator, and this will be 128. And then after we will solve this. So you can also cancel this, or you can also multiply 128 with 28, whatever answer you get, you have to change that answer in decimal, because 2 zeros are given over here. So you have to, whatever answer you get after multiplying this, you have to put the decimal after 2 digit, because 2 zeros are here in the denominator. Now student, I hope all of you have understood about a percentage, and you have already studied this chapter in your previous class also. It's not a difficult chapter, but this chapter is a little calculative chapter. So you have to learn your tables properly, and you have to be very much conscious about the calculation part. You have to put full concentration in your calculation, otherwise your question will be wrong. So this was it. Now some assignments will be given to you, which you have to solve in your copy. Thank you.